Hi all. In this video, I will tell you about the promo code for Betwinner, what it gives and how to activate it. Promo code START365 will increase the welcome bonus up to 100% when replenishing from $1 to $106. Free spins will also be available to you. To receive a bonus, you need to register. To do this, go to the site. If you don't know where to find the official Betwinner website, the working link is in the pinned comment. Next, click the register button. I advise you to register by phone number so that there are no problems when withdrawing funds. I will choose one-click registration. Fill in the required information. Next, enter the promotional code START365. Choose a bonus. We confirm the terms of the agreement and click the register button. Done, we have registered an account. Now, in order for the bonus to be credited, you need to replenish your account in the amount of at least $1. The amount of replenishment should not exceed $106. You can do this in the Replenishment tab. This tab provides a variety of ways to replenish your account. Important: in your personal account, there must be a check mark in the Take Part in Bonus Promotions field. More bonuses can be found on the Betwinner official website. In the Promotions and Promotions tab, you will find a link to it and a special promotional code in the pinned comment under this video.